Okay, now we're inside of the polar bear model, and I wanted to show you just a quick instruction on how to change this from a dinette position to a bed position. Here I've removed the stem from the table and the cushions, just set them aside and place the tabletop down between these two boxes. Then you take and you grab the front of the mattress and pull it out like this, and then you just reach around behind and you do that, and that makes it, transitions it into a bed. And then you just reverse that by doing this. Pull up till it stops. You shouldn't have to cross in front of your windows. Push back, pull up one more time, and just work this front back to this edge, and then there you've got your little sofa area that you sit back here. And so that's how you transition it over.